So today on the channel, we're gonna take a look at this John Deere again to see why it won't idle. I thought that a jet might be the problem, but let's discover what the issue is together. Okay, looks like I got a culprit. These bolts that go through the carb are all loose. The carb is loose. I hope that's actually just the problem, but I'm going to take it off anyway. I'm going to take it off and have a look. I did order a new one. Since I have the new one, I might as well just put it on. Here's a gasket. All right, so now we'll compare this carb to the one that I purchased online. Make sure that it'll fit. This is a Walbro, and yeah, let's see how that one looks. All right, here's the new one. Carburetor unboxing. So it's got a different style plunger. All right. So here's the choke, butterfly, all the way closed, open, closed, open. Let's take a look here. Looks similar enough. Looks like a slightly larger diameter. Interesting. All right, let's flip it around and see. This pattern is different. This one goes all the way around. That is interesting, but it's got some scratch marks, all kinds of stuff. Let's slap it on and see if that does anything different. If that makes any difference. Okay, let's try it. Also in the box we got some fuel line and a filter and shut off valve. Well, let's do that too. First thing, bolts. Cool. Alright, the spring is in there. And let's put the choke in. You gotta slide it through the slot here, because it won't be lined up properly. other needle goes. Put in the first hole. All right, gasket. They better have given me a new gasket. Which there's one in there. One. Two. I need to get a long socket over these. Does this fit? No, it does not. Alright, let's check choke operation. Choke, not choked. Oh, it doesn't open. Why is it sticking? Let's see. Choke, not choke. Choke, open. But it doesn't open all the way. I definitely want it to open all the way. Choke, open. Choke, nope. It doesn't open all the way. It's not very smooth. I'm going to have to modify this. Alright, so this is sticking, and I believe it's just this rod that controls, the push rod that controls the choke. So I'm going to use it for now, but I am going to fix it. I'm going to have to put some lube or something to get that operating smoothly. Alright, so right now though, it's on, and I'm going to tighten up these bolts here. If I can find my pliers or grip wrench. On there, and the next thing is to throw the breather hose back on. The breather hose fell, and it fall underneath. And I put it in here. It has officially, oh, how come you guys didn't tell me? All right, let's put this back on here. You don't have this hose set, you won't recirculate your exhaust. You lose efficiency and you burn fuel like crazy. So make sure you do that. Okay. In the back. This is size 11 in the back. And in the front. Bolt. Slightly bigger, so doesn't have the same amount of thread to go on. So it's a slightly bigger carburetor. All right, and then we connect up the fuel, but they gave us some goodies. Here's the solenoid. It's cut. It's been cut. I don't know if I should put that back on. I think I have a connector. They gave us some fuel line, filter. Let's see if I remember the direction. I don't see any direction on this. I definitely should have given me some directions, but okay, work with what we got. I'll put the fuel shut off right here, and I'll put it between this. So I'll cut this hose here. Need a blade. All right, so it hangs in the middle. See? Like so. This should have direction of flow. Flows this way. So One more clamp here. Ready? Oh. Okay. Brake was already on. All right. Contact. Okay, one more time. One more time. Full choke. Full choke. Why would it not run unless it's, it can't be blocked now. Can't be blocked now. All right. Don't need choke anymore. It's pretty warm out here. So at this point, you might be wondering if I'm giving up, but after some thinking about this, if I have this on full choke and it's running so smoothly, that's an indication that air is, after the carburetor, is being allowed in through some crack or some other path past the choke, because it's not being choked. And so while the motor might be great, that where it runs on full throttle, And then when I open up the choke, it does not run great. It shuts off. And so it seems like, so there's the governor there, but it seems like I'm gonna have to inspect for some air leakage. It's probably this thing here on the left hand side of the screen, after the choke, and then it's allowing too much air to get into the motor. So I'll do some research and I'll do another video and we'll wrap up this thing. Let's get back to it. So you see that's what's going on with this. Very strange that it would be having an issue where it can't idle. Let me do some research and get back to you.